Do you know the new monetization criteria since this year, 2025? Do you know that many things have changed and many things have remained unchanged? So if you want your Facebook profile or page to be monetized, there are criteria you should have in mind if you really want to monetize your Facebook account. And the first one is that you must be 18 years and above. Of course, they don't want teenagers coming here and be messing up, and it is for people that are 18 years and above. So while lying about your age, bear that in mind. The second one is you should have at least 10,000 followers. It is not more 5,000 followers. It is now 10,000 followers. Is it achievable? Yes, of course. It will only take dedication and hard work, and you will get there. The third one is you should have at least 600,000 watch hours. It is no longer 60,000 watch hours. It is now 600,000. Is it achievable? Yes. If others are doing it, you too can do it. Work hard and you will get it. The next one is that you should have at least 5 active videos. Yeah, you should have 5 at least. They did not say it's only 5 active videos, at least 5 active videos. Okay, then the next one is that you should be in an eligible country. If you're in Nigeria, thank your God because you have passed that particular one. As far as you're in an eligible country, you are good to go. You can be monetized if you do everything that they have listed. The next one is to comply with Facebook standard, Facebook policies and standards. If you know those things they say do not do, then do not do them. If you know the things they say you should do, then you do them. Know the Facebook do's and don'ts and do the right thing, and you will be monetized in the due time. The next one is authentic content. You should have authentic and original content. Even if you are going to do reaction videos, you should do it right. You don't have to download somebody's videos and you post it from beginning to the end before you now show your face and start talking. And mind you, it's not everybody's video that you should download and start making content with. It's not everybody's videos. Some of them have copyrighted their videos. So before you start using people's videos, make your research and be sure that it's not copyrighted to avoid Facebook strike. The next one is presence. You should have been on Facebook for at least 90 days before you can be monetized. If you like, pack 100 followers within 3 days. If you like, have more than 1 million views, watch hours within 3 days. It does not concern Facebook. You must have been here on Facebook for at least 90 days before you'll be monetized. The last but not the least is that you must share a page and not a profile. You can have a page or a profile that has professional dashboard, that is on professional mode. A profile that is on professional mode. That is the only profile that can be monetized. If it is not on professional mode, it cannot be monetized. Then for pages, they are always on professional mode. They can be monetized. And there are many advantages of using your page as your content account. But that is a discussion for another day, not today. If there is any other thing you would like me to talk about, comment down below. If you have any question, comment down below. If you have anything to add to what I've said, put it down below in the comment section. I hope to see you next time. Bye.